introducing you to me. And I'm clearly not a ballet star. Come here, Avery. I have a 3-year-old son. He's lots of fun. Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Avery.
Hi, Avery. He's on my bed set.
Can you go use the bathroom? Back. This time, maybe we won't get interrupted. So, I want to run you guys through simple tips to keeping your home clean. Little things you can do when you get home from work that only take 10 minutes. 10 minutes for a nice, tidy house when you get home from work. Now, if you have 4 or 5 kids, this 10 minutes might be more like 20 minutes, but look, we're talking about hours of deep cleaning. We're talking about making things nice when you get home from work. So I'm gonna start with some of my tips. So I have some essential tips for everyone. When I get home, as you get home, hang up your keys on your rack and your purse. It's nice and neat, and if I need to rush out the house, everything that I need is right here. I love that. Then I will tidy up the shoes. So sometimes there's shoes up here that are nice, like dress shoes, or it's also winter now, so I'm gonna put those in my closet and make sure all that the shoes are on the rack. Then having a little box to donate things, a little box or a bag, and every few weeks or every couple months or so, depending on how much you're decluttering, you can take it to Goodwill, and that way you don't have a bunch of clutter and stuff taking up space that doesn't need to, and you can go to a good home and people that need it can actually get used out of it. So now we're onto the kitchen, and the kitchen is really simple. One thing that's going to make your kitchen look a lot cleaner is having clear countertops. The least amount of stuff that you control on your countertops, the better. So anything that I was using the night before, I would put away. Any extra appliances, the only appliance I keep out is the toaster and the blender. And even though I do a wipe down after I cook, sometimes just grabbing a plate or grabbing a midnight snack, you might make some crumbs and some mess. So these wipes are lifesavers. I mean, for everything. I just use the Great Value, but you could use Lysol too if it makes you feel better. It's just the lemon scent. I like the lemon scent because it just makes it smell clean, not only just clean, but when it smells clean, it's cleaner. It feels cleaner. So I just do a quick wipe down. I always wash my dishes and load my dishwasher at night. That way the next day I can unload my dishwasher and not have to worry. I also recommend you sweeping or vacuuming in the entryway of your home. The entryway of your home is the highest traffic, the really high traffic areas of your home. I recommend you sweep or vacuum, depending on if it's carpet or hardwood. It's really gonna help. And I also sweep my kitchen every single day. And these little things will help keep you super tight. I think you always should give your sink a wipe down. I mean, it doesn't matter if you just wiped it down yesterday or you just deep cleaned it 3 days ago. It doesn't matter. It's almost going to need a wipe down almost every day. So you might as well just give it a quick wipe down every day. The toothpaste builds up, makeup, different things from washing your hands, and I just think it's yucky, and I do this to both of my sinks every day. Times at night, I don't have enough time to to pick up all my son's toys after he's done with the bath. I try to, but some nights I just don't get around to it. So I go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go and get into details about how to clean a kid's potty, but I also do this every day when I get home from work. Coming out of the bathroom, in between my son's room and the bathroom, I have a little hamper. So if there's any clothes in here, I go ahead and try to empty this hamper out and bring this to a bigger hamper that I have in the laundry. So every day I'll at least knock out one load and fold one load. So the night before I'll run my laundry, and then when I get home from work or in the morning, I'll fold the clothes and I will switch my wash clothes over to my dry clothes. And then tomorrow I'll fold those clothes and the cycle repeats. That way, too much laundry doesn't get piled up, and the next thing you know, you will never fold that laundry because it's about 500 articles of clothing, and who wants to do that shit? Not me. But I've caught myself doing that before, and it's the worst. So you cancel that out by doing at least a couple, just, by just spreading it out. So I organize my living room. So if the pillows weren't fluffed, I'll fluff the pillows up, put them on the right way, fix the blankets, and sometimes there's games and stuff. Sometimes all this stuff is just a little much, which it's looking a little much right now, but I'll also just organize this. And if you have kids, make them clean as soon as they get home from school. Starting good habits young is really important. My son's only 3, but when he gets home from daycare, he's cleaning up these toys. If he wants snacks or if he wants TV, he's gonna clean up. So I run incense almost every night. So when I get home, I will clear my incense stick out and wipe away all the ashes. Morning I wake up, I make my bed, so that's one less thing that I have to do. And then I will organize my counter space. So sometimes I'll have a cup here, sometimes I'll have toothpaste out, sometimes there's empty mouthwash. So I gotta throw the stuff away, bring it back to the proper place. Everything in your house should have a place. That way when you're done with something, you can put it back in its place, and it's way more easy to stay tidy and organized. Alright, so I know that wasn't the best organizational video you've ever seen, but hey, subscribe.